Decorating for Valentine's Day doesn't have to be expensive to be beautiful. Dollar Tree DIY Valentine decorations prove that with a little creativity, budget-friendly items can look stylish, charming, and full of love. From simple crafts to elegant accents, affordable decor can completely transform your space. Let's explore DIY Dollar Tree Valentine decoration ideas that help you decorate smart, save money, and still create a warm and festive atmosphere. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What Dollar Tree items work for table decor? Use chargers, candles, napkin rings, or trays. Combine pieces to create stylish Valentine tables without overspending. Tables styled like this if your setup looks budget beautiful. What Dollar Tree items work for hanging decor? Use heart cutouts, ribbon, or string lights. Hanging decor adds height and movement to your Valentine setup. Hanging pieces done like this if your space feels lively. What are easy Dollar Tree DIY decorations to make? Create heart garlands, painted signs, or ribbon bows. Simple projects using basic supplies can instantly elevate your Valentine decor. DIY started? Like this if your projects feel fun and easy. How do I use Dollar Tree florals? Trim, mix, and fluff faux flowers for fuller arrangements. Pair with greenery to create balanced and realistic Valentine displays. Florals arranged like this if your decor blooms beautifully. How do I upgrade Dollar Tree signs? Paint over designs, add vinyl letters, or attach florals. Small upgrades make inexpensive signs look custom and high-end. Signs upgraded? like this if your decor feels elevated. How do I start decorating with Dollar Tree items? Begin by choosing a Valentine color palette and browsing Dollar Tree for basics like jars, signs, ribbon, and craft supplies. Ready to shop? Like this if your budget decor journey begins now. How do I avoid a cheap look? Stick to a color scheme and remove busy patterns. Less clutter and thoughtful placement create a refined Valentine look. Look polished? Like this if your decor feels classy. How can I use Dollar Tree glass jars creatively? Fill jars with candy hearts, flowers, or LED lights. Add ribbon or paint for charming centerpieces and shelf decor. Jars styled like this if your decor looks sweet and polished. Can I make Dollar Tree wall decor? Yes, frame printable quotes, create heart collages, or hang paper garlands. Affordable wall decor adds instant Valentine charm. Walls decorated like this if your space feels festive already. Can I make Dollar Tree centerpieces? Absolutely. Combine vases, florals, and filler stones. Layering simple items creates centerpieces that look store-bought. Centerpiece ready? Like this if your table shines with love. Can I decorate shelves with Dollar Tree items? Yes, style shelves with small signs, candles, and mini decor. Group items in odd numbers for a clean, curated look. Shelves styled? Like this if your corners feel cozy. What's the final step for Dollar Tree DIY decor? Step back, adjust spacing, and remove extras. A clean finish ensures your budget decor feels intentional and stylish. Finish perfectly, like this if your decor looks amazing on a budget. DIY Dollar Tree Valentine decorations prove that beautiful holiday decor doesn't need a big budget. With creativity, planning, and simple upgrades, affordable items can look stylish and heartfelt. Celebrate love while saving money and decorating with confidence. Inspired by these Dollar Tree ideas? Like and check back for more Valentine decorating inspiration.